Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add market session and trading view. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open the chart on trading view. Then after that, go to indicators. Then type the name of this indicator, market session by Livia. Then choose this one. Make sure you choose this one. Click on it and click on the X here. And as you can see, these are the market sessions. So that depends on your time zone, of course. And if you want to change any settings, so let's say you want to add the London kill zone or the New York kill zone or anything, just go to the indicators place and click on settings here and go to input. And as you can see, you can change the time here. As you can see here, you can also change the time zone if you want here. Just add +1, +6, anything you want. And that's it. After that, just click on. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.